Always remember this. Your name will be mentioned in rooms you've never entered. People you've never met will talk about you. Some will admire you, but others will judge, criticize, or even hope for your downfall. But that doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. In fact, it's proof you're doing something right. Jealousy and resentment come from those who see in you something they lack. And instead of improving themselves, they choose to tear others down. Don't let their words shake you. Never dim your light to make others comfortable. Stay true to who you are, because real ones will recognize it. As the saying goes, you laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at you because you're all the same. If you've made it this far, that means you're different. Drop 100 in the comments, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and hit follow, because this account is for you.